What's up, guys? Welcome to Onourshelf. Today I have a GHome Smart Lock. Let's check it out. This is the box that it comes in. Today we're checking out the GHome Smart Wi-Fi Deadbolt lock. It's a 5-in-1 smart lock with fingerprint unlock, keypad entry, app control, auto lock, and it even works with Alexa and Google Assistants. We're going to install it on the door, test out the fingerprint scanner and the touch keypad and the key itself. We're going to insert the key and see how everything works. Inside the box, you get the user manual and an instructions guide on how to install the smart lock. Here you get the strike plate, the strike box, extra screws, the deadbolt, and the interior assembly. Here is the rechargeable battery and extra screws. You also get 2 keys, the exterior assembly. I wanted to point out that the design actually looks really modern and clean. The keypad lights up and the fingerprint reader is built directly into the assembly, so it feels very natural when unlocking the door. This lock also has a rechargeable 10,000 milliamp battery, which should help avoid constantly changing batteries. They recommend before you start that you fully charge the battery before your first use, and it might take about 7.5 hours. They have LED indicator lights. Red means charging and blue means fully charged. Now here is our old doorknob. We are going to remove the doorknob with a screwdriver. We removed the old deadbolt and handle from the door. After that, we installed the new deadbolt mechanism into the door opening. The installation was actually pretty straightforward and only took around 15 to 20 minutes. Next, we fed the cable through the hole and attached the exterior keypad section to the front of the door. Then on the inside, we connected the cable to the interior lock assembly and tightened everything down with the included screws. And then we added the back cover. Once everything was tightened up, we inserted the rechargeable battery pack and the lock powered right on. That's when the keypad lit up and the voice prompts started guiding the setup process. Next, I connected the lock to the app. You can control the lock remotely, check unlock history, add users, create passcodes, and even unlock the door from your phone. Setting up fingerprints was really simple. You just place your finger on the sensor multiple times so it can fully scan your fingerprints. And honestly, the fingerprint unlock is fast. Just touch the sensor and the door unlocks almost instantly. You can also unlock it using a keypad code. Unlock. And you can also unlock the smart lock with a pair of keys. So far, the GHome Smart Wi-Fi Deadbolt lock feels solid, modern, and really convenient, especially the fingerprint feature. Having a smart lock like this in your home is great if you have kids, to keep kids from preventing going into closets you don't want them to go into. It's for safety reasons, especially if you have tools and things. So if you're looking to upgrade your front door with a smart lock or closet door that has multiple ways to unlock and easy installation, this could be a great option. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.